The CFA Institute recently released a fact that out of 3 lakh candidates in the world, 35,000 students came from India. And India has become the biggest CFA level 1 market in the world. Now it's worth a thought what makes CFA such a popular qualification with students. Is it the syllabus? Is it the online exams? Is it the kind of jobs that they get at the end of the whole qualification? It's really worth a thought. Now in today's video, we will be covering everything about CFA level 1. Right from eligibility to syllabus to exams, and towards the end we will also talk about the kind of cost that you will incur if you have to do the level 1. So सबसे पहले check कर लेते हैं आपका eligibility. Now CFA Institute has got this rule that you can appear for your CFA level 1 exam when you're within the 23 months of your graduation. इसका क्या मतलब है? So let's say अगर आप एक 3-year graduation program में हैं, so within 23 months means you must be in your second year when you appear for your level 1 exam. Okay, so typically students start studying in the first year because it takes about at least 6 to 8 months of rigorous preparation if you want to clear the exams. So you start preparing while you're in your first year, and as soon as you enter your second year of graduation, you are within the 23-month window, and that is when you can appear for your level 1 exam. Now, of course, अगर आप एक second year, third year या graduate हैं, तो then you're already, within that rule, and you can give the exam anytime you are prepared. Number 2. Now let's talk about the subjects you study in CFA level 1. Now, as you can see on your screens, these are the topics typically that you study in CFA, which is ethical and professional standards, quantitative methods, which is basically fundamentals of statistics, economics, financial statement analysis, where you study US GAAP and IFRS and its application to financial statements, corporate issuers, which is corporate finance, equity, fixed income or bonds, derivatives, alternative investments, portfolio planning and portfolio management and wealth planning. And typically in a paper, the typical weightage of each of these topics is as you can see on your screens. So this is exactly what is tested in your CFA level 1. Now let's talk about exams. Now CFA level 1 के 4 exam windows होते हैं in the year, so which is Feb, May, August and November, right? So depending on the window that you're eligible for and you're prepared for, you can appear for these windows. Now what's important to understand is that the exam is completely online, and first level में सब multiple choice questions होते हैं. So typically your exam day will have 2 exam sessions, okay? One session will have 90 MCQs and it will be for 2 hours and 15 minutes, followed by another session of 90 MCQs and 2 hours and 15 minutes. जितने टॉपिक्स हमने अभी बात करें सब्जेक्ट्स में, वो सभी फर्स्ट एग्जाम में भी टेस्ट होंगे, एंड अगेन दे विल बी टेस्टेड इन द सेकंड एग्जाम. एंड CFA इंस्टीट्यूट टिपिकली वुड एवरेज योर परफॉर्मेंस एंड इश्यू योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड यहाँ पे जनरली परसेंटाइल सिस्टम ऑफ असेसमेंट होता है. तो आपके एब्सोल्यूट मार्क्स नहीं होते हैं, बट देयर इज अ परसेंटाइल सिस्टम बेसिस व्हिच द इंस्टीट्यूट विल डिसाइड वेदर यू हैव क्लियर्ड और नॉट क्लियर्ड. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द पास रेट्स ऑफ CFA लेवल 1. Now CFA level 1 का pass rates generally dwindle करता है anywhere between 37, 38 to 45%. If you take a 10-year average, the CFA Institute says that the 10-year average pass rate for level 1 exams is around 41%. Now let's move on to the next important thing, which is called practical skills module. Now this is a new introduction in 2024. The CFA Institute has made a compulsory practical skills module which they want students to take up. This is more like a online self-paced module जहाँ पे they've put in a combination of videos, case studies, some practical caselets, because they want you to develop certain real world skills. Now the CFA Institute gives you 2 options in CFA level 1. One is financial modeling and the other is Python programming fundamentals. तो आप कोई भी दोनों में से एक चूज कर सकते हो. ये 10 से 20 घंटे का ऑनलाइन मॉड्यूल है और इसको आपको खत्म करना है बिफोर योर रिजल्ट्स. मतलब ये करने पे ही आपका रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर होगा. दिस इज अ न्यू एडिशन, बट इट्स एन अमेजिंग थिंग because I think it's teaching you or it's giving you that extra edge or that extra skill that's needed when you're going to go to your workplaces. Now let's understand the cost to doing CFA level 1. Now सबसे पहले आपको CFA level 1 करने में 2 कॉस्ट इनकर होते हैं. एक है जो आप CFA बॉडी को पे करोगे इन US डॉलर्स, एंड एक है जो आपके लोकल कोचिंग प्रोवाइडर को आप पे करोगे. Now let's talk about what you pay the CFA Institute. सबसे पहले you will pay a enrollment fee of $350. ये वन टाइम एनरोलमेंट फी है, मतलब ये हर लेवल पे नहीं अप्लाई होगी, सिर्फ इसको फर्स्ट टाइम आपको पे करना है, राइट? इसके साथ साथ यू नीड टू पे एन एग्जाम फी विच इज ऑब्वियसली द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. नाउ एग्जाम फी के 2 विंडोज होते हैं, एक होता है अर्ली बर्ड और एक होता है स्टैंडर्ड रजिस्ट्रेशन. नाउ एक थंब रूल पकड़ते हैं कि आपका कभी भी एग्जाम का जो अटेम्प्ट है उसके अबाउट 9 odd months पहले अर्ली बर्ड विंडो स्टार्ट्स, ओके? एंड अर्ली बर्ड विंडो जनरली 2 से 3 महीना रहता है, ओके और उसके बाद दे हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ स्टैंडर्ड रजिस्ट्रेशन। तो या तो आप अर्ली बर्ड में एग्जाम के लिए रजिस्टर कर सकते हो या फिर आप एक स्टैंडर्ड डेडलाइन में रजिस्टर कर सकते हो। तो फर्स्ट 3 odd months यू कैन से अर्ली बर्ड रहता है, जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को $990 का फीस लगता है, और आप उसमें कर लेते हो तो आपको ये $990 का बेनिफिट मिल जाता है ऑफकोर्स। अगर आप अर्ली बर्ड विंडो मिस कर देते हो, उसके बाद विंडो जो शुरू होती है वो स्टैंडर्ड होती है, एंड द स्टैंडर्ड विंडो में जनरली द CFA इंस्टीट्यूट का लेवल 1 एग्जाम का कॉस्ट रफली $1250 होता है। सो इट इज हायर, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज एडवाइजेबल फॉर चिल्ड्रन दैट इफ यू आर sure of giving the exam, please register in the early bird window so you get the benefit of it. Okay, so like I said, there's an enrollment fee and there is a standard entry exam fee which is in US dollars. Now iske alawa you must sign up with of course some coach, some mentor who can guide you through ताकि you don't make the mistakes. See, ये बहुत costly exam है and you want to clear it in the first attempt because अगर नहीं clear करते हो तो फिर से आपको $1250 लगेगा which is very very expensive. Indian rupees में convert करें तो ये 90,000-95,000 rupees हो जाता है। तो you need a mentor, you need a coach, you need somebody to give you time tested tips of what to do and what not to do. Now of course depending on क्या रिगर का प्रोग्राम है, आप कौन सी सिटी में हो वो सब फैक्टर्स डिपेंड होता है, बट जनरली good coaches or good coaching hubs would charge anywhere between 40,000 to 50,000 rupees for a comprehensive CFA level 1 program. Okay, अब आप इन सबको ऐड कर दे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा CFA level 1 में आपका कितना खर्चा होने वाला है. So if you're somebody who wants to clear all the CFA exams in the first go, and most importantly you want a stunning job at the end of the process, we are here to help. Do reach out to our counselors and speak to them today. Having said that, we've got an entire video covering all the changes that the CFA Institute made to the qualification in 2024. Do go and check that video out as well.